Ay, kinakalaban mo. Nice ball.
Grinding in silence. When nobody believed I had a dream time. Now I speak up. Came from sweat and empty pockets. I know struggle up.
Nice aim.
Mama pray while I
Defend mo yan, defend mo.
survived on hope. I've been pushing through the pain. Every bruise, every scar. Chasing visions in the dark. Guided by my heart.
Black motivation. Very good, man. Lagi na mag-emulate ko sa'yo, ha? Nice defend. Cross face, cross face, cross face. Very good. Nice, scroll ka mababa. Ayan. Carlo, alis ka dyan. Sit out ka, sit out. Shrimp out yan, shrimp out.
So when you hear me spitting, feel that fire in my chest. Not just rhythm or rhyme, it's my life, it's my quest. I ain't asking for easy, ain't begging for a crown. Just one thing, recognize the miles I've run away, I'm holding it down.
So respect my effort, every drop of sweat, every tear I shed, respect my struggle, every sleepless night, every tear unsaid. I built this faith, I own this fight from dusk to daylight. So when I shine, don't look away, respect my effort, let me fly.
They saw the flash, I
Nice
never
ball.
saw the midnight oil burn. Only trophies now, but not the nights I had to learn. I wore down like scars.
Protect mo siya.
Turn wherever you
Very
can.
good. Oh, click mo siya, yung over under.
Brothers,
Baka mo, scroll ka. Baka mo siya, baka mo.
they doubted I could make it, but I stayed. No shortcuts, no sugarcoat, no fake applause. Just me, my will, my pen, rewriting all lies.
Very good. Hey, Carlo, nice, lakas. Nice, nung mo yan, ginawa sa'yo.
Still answering my craft, but I glow with honest fire. More real
Pound sa ano.
spit, every beat I hold.
Oh, kuha ka ng ano dyan, kuha ka ng submission dyan, Straight foot lock, straight foot lock, straight foot lock. Oh, very good.
So when you hear me spitting, feel that fire in my chest. Not just rhythm or rhyme, it's my life, it's my quest. I ain't asking
Combinations.
for easy,
MMA na yan, MMA.
crown. Just one
Hindi
thing,
lang yung full strikes.
recognize the miles I've
Hindi
run
din yan.
away, I'm holding it down.
So respect my effort,
Nice.
every drop of sweat, every tear I shed,
Double
respect
yun
my
eh.
struggle, every sleepless night, every tear unsaid. I built this faith,
Huwag
I
mo
own
palisin
this
sa
fight
bed, no?
from
Huwag mo
dusk to
palisin.
daylight. So when I shine, don't look away,
Wala.
respect my effort, let me fly.
Yeah, I came from
Relax
nothing
lang,
but
baka makasama sa submission. Relax lang.
every late night, hustling every single
Nice.
day. I felt the cold of doubt. I tasted bitter tears, but
Sit
I
out,
learned
sit
to
out.
grind harder. The voice of
Uy,
fear,
lalagay ka.
voices whisper quick, but
Tama
speak
ka daw.
louder still.
Oh, pwede mo pag krinos niya yung paa niya, pwede mo ang gitnaan niya yung 24 ako sa paa niya, pag krinos niya. Baka mo. Sensitive yan, ano ka? Defend. Nice.
No more shadows on my
Tapos dikit
past,
ka, harap
no
ka sa kanya.
chains that bind. I'm free, I'm strong with purpose in my mind. Every scar tells a story, every scar made me real. This is my time, I climb my deal.
Lagay mo sa kilikili mo, pag nakuha mo yung ano niya.
Or get out my way.
Kunin mo, nakadalawa yan. Kunin mo, dali mo sa kilikili mo. Lagay mo sa kilikili mo.
Respect my effort.
Lagay mo sa kilikili mo.
Every
Lagay
tear
mo
I
sa
shed,
kilikili mo.
respect my struggle.
Dalawa muna, dalawang kamay sa isang kamay. 2 in 1. At lagay mo sa kilikili mo.
Dusk to daylight. So when I shine, don't look away. Respect my effort, let me fly.
Uy, 1 minute pa. Nice! Nice crumble. Alis ka dyan, bridge ka. Don't give you back. Oh, patay ka dyan. Take the walk ka. At ang bridge ka na lang kanina. Flat mo siya, Carlo. Flat mo. Oh, yan. Flat. Nice, Em. Oh. Side to onion belly. Oh, yan. Kuha ka ng full mount. Very good. Oh, kunin mo yung cross collar, oh. Tap ha. Pag wala na, tap na. Oh, pinasok mo pa lalo. Gilid siya. Ah. Very good, Carlo. Nice, nice. Oh, time. Sayang. Paa, oh. Pwede ka sumipa. Lapit, oh. Yan. Very good. Sipa. Sipa. Yan. Diin-diin lang. Yoy, yoy. Kinukuha mo. Tika na. Yan. Pag malapitan, Carlo, kunin mo yung clinch tapos duck under. Parang send of the post, ah. Alis, alis. Kita, kita. Send control. Itak-tak ko. Very good, Carlo. Huwag mo paalisin. Figure formula yan. Pwede ka kumuha sa submission dyan yan, kahit naka half guard ka lang. Pwede ka kumuha sa submission dyan. Pwede ka mag... Galaw, galaw. Tulog na yata. Kilak. Oh, naka-guard na siya. Alis ka muna sa guard niya. Pass the guard ka, bicep control o kaya wrist control. Oh, posture up ka, posture up. Posture up. Very good. Posture up, tingin sa taas. Pass the guard. Tayo ka, tayo. Tayo. O, alisin mo yung guard. Very good. O, hindi ka na mag-flower sweep. Very good. Yan! Di ba? Yan. Side control. Yan. O, lipat ka north-south ka. North-south. O, side control. South control to me. Good. Nice. O, pwede ka magkilak dyan. Pwede ka magkilak, pwede ka mag-pound. Base ka sa kanya, pwede mo siya upuan. Upuan mo para makapahinga ka rin. Gusto mo. Oops. Base ka. Wala ka ng base. Napaflip ka niya. Yan. Shrimp out ka, Carl. Very good. Galing. Nice. Nice. Oh. Nice. Ganda.
Low back ka na.
Bubble leg, ah. Bang, bang. Ay, mute. Nag-drive. Ayun, nakuha ko.